What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Endevr. My name is Mike Nielsen, and today I'm going to show you what I think is going to be the next big thing in blockchain, and it's called SUI. And if you're like me and you're looking for real opportunities in crypto, I think you're going to like what I have for you today. Before we dive in, I need to ask you for a small favor. I need you to please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps us reach more people and allows us to bring you the best crypto insights out there. And with your support, we can grow our channel. All right, guys, before we go all in on SUI, I want to take a quick look at what's happening in the market. I mean, the market has been absolutely ripping since the election. And I think this big move up is going to continue through the rest of the year. Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear as well. It just hit $88,000 and is in price discovery. And you know what that means. It's going higher. And Solana has been moving up as well and is sitting around $222. And then we've got SUI. It just set an all-time high today at $3.32. And let me tell you, the buzz around this project is real. So this is the perfect time to dive into SUI and see why people are paying attention. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're looking at me from our last video. I decided to grow a beard. Jump down in the comments and let me know what you think. Should I shave it or should I keep it? It's in this weird kind of a phase right now, but I'm thinking about keeping it. But let me know your thoughts. Before we jump into SUI, I think it's really important to know the team that's behind SUI, and that's Mysten Labs. This isn't just some team of developers. These guys are the real deal. Many of them worked on projects like Facebook's Libra and Novi, so they know the challenges of building for a massive Web 2 platform, and from that experience, they saw one big issue. The internet as we know it isn't built for Web 3. That's why they set out to create SUI, a blockchain designed to handle all the demands of the decentralized world, where control and data integrity actually mean something. They're not just looking to make another fast blockchain. They're building what they believe is the next version of the internet. In fact, they're building a better internet. Now, here's what makes SUI different from everything else out there. There's really three things that set it apart. First, it's the team at Mysten Labs. And then they've got their innovative programming language called the Move programming language. And then the way that they've structured the whole system to be scalable and future ready. And look, these aren't just buzzwords. Mysten Labs is bringing all their experience. The Move language gives SUI its tech edge. And then the way that they've structured SUI with layers like identity, storage, and liquidity makes it flexible and ready for real world demand. So let's break it down so you can see why this is such a big deal. Now let's talk about the backbone of SUI's innovation, the Move programming language. Think of Move as the fuel that powers SUI's unique approach to blockchain. Move was designed to be secure and efficient, focusing on assets and their management directly on-chain, unlike the more general purpose languages currently out there. What's cool about Move is how it brings high-level security directly into the programming layer. In simple terms, this language is built from the ground up to reduce vulnerabilities in smart contracts. You're not just deploying apps. You're doing it with a tool that puts a premium on security and efficiency. For developers, this means creating applications without ever having to worry about massive reworks due to exploits or bugs. And for users, it means a more reliable, trustworthy experience on SUI. So what does this all mean for us? In short, Mysten Labs and SUI are building the groundwork for what they call a decentralized internet, an internet where users own their own data, assets, and digital identity. And the way they're structuring SUI with its unique layers makes this vision possible. So why does this matter? Think about it. The internet that we know today is dominated by centralized giants like Google and Facebook. Mysten Labs' vision with SUI is to build a better, decentralized internet that puts the control back into the hands of the users like us. And at the heart of this vision is the coordination layer. Now here's where it gets interesting. The coordination layer on SUI isn't just a foundation, it's the orchestrator, making sure all the components on SUI work together seamlessly. If you think of it as like the traffic director of the network, it ensures every interaction across the ecosystem flows smoothly and securely. To really put it in perspective, let's look at Ethereum, which has historically faced bottlenecks. When Ethereum experiences high demand, like during the 2021 NFT boom, transaction times slowed and fees skyrocketed. Transactions that would typically cost just a few cents suddenly jumped to $100, $200, $300 or more. This is due to congestion. The blockchain's capacity couldn't keep up with the demand, causing users to compete for transaction space and driving up fees. SUI's coordination layer is built to prevent these kinds of bottlenecks. It's like a city designed with extra lanes, bypasses, and alternative routes to handle high traffic with efficiency. As more users and applications enter the SUI ecosystem, the coordination layer ensures that everything keeps moving without slowdowns or massive fee spikes. What this means is that even if SUI sees exponential growth, the coordination layer will maintain high speed, low cost transactions across the board. It's a big part of why SUI's approach is different from what we've seen before. So when we look at the big picture, all these pieces, the team, the move language, and the coordination layer, they all come together to create more than just another blockchain. Mysten Labs isn't in this to make noise or to follow trends. They're here to redefine what's possible by building a better internet that genuinely works for everyone. Their vision is an internet where each of us has true ownership and control over our data, assets, and identity. A digital world that's open, fair, and secure from the ground up. Imagine a future where our online life isn't controlled by a handful of massive companies, but instead it's powered by a blockchain built to solve real-world problems and empower individuals and communities. That's what SUI is working towards. And let me tell you, this isn't just hype. It's about building something sustainable, something that can adapt and grow as real people start using it for real solutions. It's about a blockchain that's ready to support the next generation of Web3 application. Apps that don't just sit on the blockchain, but apps that add real value to our lives and address real problems. That's the kind of vision that gets me fired up. And I'm telling you right now, that's why you need to be watching SUI. It's going to be one of the biggest movers over the course of this next cycle. And that's why I've invested my own money in SUI. I think that it's taking blockchain to a whole different level, and you're going to see some amazing applications come from it. All right, Endevr fam, we've covered all the basics. Mysten Labs vision, the move language, and the coordination layer. But we're just starting to scratch the surface on SUI. Over the next few episodes, we're going to dive deeper into SUI's architecture, breaking down each layer like the identity, storage, and liquidity layers. Each one has a purpose, and together they make SUI one of the most exciting ecosystems in crypto right now. Look, if this breakdown was helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button and make sure that you're subscribed. And if you want even more exclusive content, check out our tokens newsletter. The link's down in the description, and you can find it on our website at cryptoendevr.com. where we're dropping weekly insights and alpha directly to your inbox once a week. Crypto is moving fast, and I'm really excited to be on this journey with you. Let's keep exploring, learning, and finding those next big opportunities together. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one right here at Crypto Endevr. Have a great day.